Morning from Vegas. If you can see, that's the orb behind me, or whatever the hell you call it. But we were up this morning. We're gonna go get some breakfast. I'm all screwed up. We landed last night, but it's 7 o'clock in the morning here in Vegas. So that puts it, I don't know what time at home, but I'm all jet lagged. But we're headed off to SEMA. We will definitely see some cool stuff today, and I will capture it. It's like sensory overload here. There's so much stuff. That's fine. This is one of the coolest things I've seen. It's all stamped bodies. Broncos over there. This is that kind of looks like a Jag. FJs, Land Rover. This is more my speed. I'm not really into cars, but crazy. You can buy a brand new one. Awesome. Back in school, I used to help build computer props out of a lot of cardboard. So this is literally CAD, cardboard aided design. The attention to detail is crazy. Really cool. So as you can see, this is mostly trucks. There'll be an off-road video, a tool video, and probably at least 2 to 3 more videos come out. I always have a soft spot for Scouts. And also, as you can tell, I'm not into tuners, but Fast and the Furious, all of us can agree the OG first one was the best one. If anybody else has Weird Al Yankovic blaring in your head right now, that buggy was cool. There was a lot of right-hand drive. You'll see more of them in a later video, but it was really cool to see all the right-hand drive Toyotas and Nissans that were from across the ocean. You usually don't see that kind of stuff. And also, as you know, I love truck campers. Thanks for watching. This is a lot of the vehicles that I thought were standout and cool. There was so many vehicles there, but I'm not all about the flashy bro trucks and imports. So stay tuned. Got plenty more from SEMA out at Vegas. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button.